Nagkaka-billboard po ako, and then yung commercial po, siguro makikita natin siya. So, mapupuso siya ng Caroline, and hindi na po siya dito sa Metro Manila magkakaroon ng billboard. Pati din sa Cebu. Yes po. Shine, deadly, and dangerous tricks for your lips. Okay, yun lang. Thank you so much, guys. Comment down below sa mga gusto nyo sabihin sa akin. Huwag nyo na kayo. I hope nag-enjoy po kayo. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the yellow basket. I love you.
Hoy, ano na? Nakatulog ako kagabi. I was so asleep, y'all, cause pagoda iman ang gay. So ngayon, pinanood ko lang, kakatapos ko lang manood ng vlog. You guys, panoorin nyo na yung vlog ko. And now, I'm just getting ready because mag-photoshoot pa ko. Huy! Nag-aano na kayo dyan? Kamusta kayo? How's life going? You just watch me. Andiyan na muna kayo. Just watch me do my makeup and things and stuffs. Yes, nandito na po kami sa aming new house. New condo. Itong just in the T-zone. Ang sarap. May pa-flex naman ng Gloss Boss. Yes, andito gamit-gamit ko. Gamit-gamit ko. Anong gusto niyo yung Gloss Boss? Anong color ang favorite niyo? Guys, panoorin niyo yung vlog ko. Andiyan na talaga siya. Yes, masipag talaga yan siya. Morning, kasi may shoot kami, so I'm so thankful for God for another day. Ang weird ng panaginip ko. Why is that like that? Hindi mo siya weird, pero parang so vivid, parang totoo. Umuwi daw ako ng ng bukid nun. Kasama ko yung mama ko. Tapos andun yung lolo ko, yung nanay ko, tapos ano sabihin niyo da? Pinapauwi mo na ba ako ng bukid noon? Balay-balay, Valencia. Ah, kaya pala. Okay, gets ko na. Online class. Oh, mag-class ka muna. Girl, look at that pimple. Grabe. Mag-school muna kayo dyan. Kailan ka punta Antipolo? Sa Kupang Purok 2, Zone 8. Antipolo City. Ano mo pwedeng panoorin na vlog? Ay, pakinggan natin ang bagong song ni Mrs. Dahil invited pala tayo kagabi. Pero tulog na ako, 8 p.m. pa lang. Mrs., I'm so sorry. I was so tired kasi. I haven't slept. Okay, Mrs. Saan ba yung song niya? Pwede na. Nandun sa YouTube na ba? Anong title ng song ni Mrs.? Okay, isang good luck. Yes, Jersey de Guzman, good luck sa'yo sa board exam mo. Anong bagong song ni Miss? Anong title ng bagong song?
So, are you ready? Because I'm not. So, are you ready? Because I'm not. Kaya next week na lang. Bye.
Wala pa sa YouTube.
So, are you ready? Because I'm not. Kaya next week na lang. Bye.
Magsaya rin to siya.
Wag na manood ng vlog. Leche.
So, are you ready? Because I'm not. Kaya...
So I should have shot the title.
Ano ba? Kung ano-ano yung mga inaano nyo?
What? You won't know it until you try.
Ano yung bagong title ng ano? Talak? Sige nga. Nasa YouTube na ba yun? Talak. Talak. Walang tala. Ha 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 ha. Walang tala. Ha ha. Shit, walang talak. Tala lang. Tala lang nandito. Ay, shit. Bakit isang talak? Pag na.
So I should have shot the title next to you. I'm not really done that. What? You won't know it until you try it.
Let's go.
Nanood ako ng ano, vlog ni
But anyone that's ever done makeup before, you
Metamorphosis.
sometimes the
Tapos nandito si Cookie.
after what you saw in the mirror. So I put a face out and started with their impression.
Nakikita ka ba?
They have a lot to choose from, but I went with the Q filter because obviously. And they have like a few different levels. Some girls like to go with a 5, but I personally like for it to still look like me, so I'm gonna go with a 2. I like how it just softens the skin just a tiny amount and just kind of crispens up like the eyebrows. Then I'm gonna use their retouch feature, just kind of smooth things out a little bit, particularly like right in the middle of the forehead where I have like visible pores. And maybe a little under the eyes, because I have a little bit of baggage going on. Then a little around the eyebrows, because I haven't cleaned them up lately. Smooth a little at the top, and a little under the other eye, and smooth a little more. Then I'm going to go over to the paint feature, and then go over to darken, and just zoom in on the eyebrows, and just do a little swipe, and another little swipe. Turn it down just a little
Busy si
bit.
Kevin.
Just to darken my eyebrows just a tiny bit. And then for fun, I'm just
Mura kag akong papakyanan. Uy! Nawa.
Just a very slight one, just to kind of make myself pop in the picture a little bit more. Then I will save, and voila, the new bombshell has been to the bed.
Hi Frankie, good morning y'all. So,
Huge difference. So here is the first pick. And
I'm just
here
doing
is
my
the
mug
very
today.
As a drag performer and online content creator,
Maaga-aga yung
I've
shoot.
shared a lot of looks online, and a tool like FaceApp is essential. And I don't want to FaceApp myself into someone else. That's what hair and makeup are for. But I also don't want a moment of look to be ruined by a pimple or subpar lighting or just a small spot that you miss. And honestly, there's nothing wrong with that. We deserve to be able to look back and remember ourselves at our best, not the tiny little imperfections, even if it is just a little selfie. So if you've got a couple photos in your camera roll that you love, with the exception of a couple little details, open up FaceApp, play around with it. It's free to download, super easy to use, and kind of addictive once you realize what it can do, especially with their pro version. Just click the link in the description or scan the QR
Ano
code
maganda-
on
ang
the
love
FaceApp and try their pro version
breakfast
for 1
love.
week free. You'll
Order
get
na lang.
a full featured free trial, and from then on, it's only $5 a month for their yearly plan.
Murag lamit tong i-orderan gahapon do.
Become your day-to-day tool for perfect
Napansin yung mga
photos.
sudan
Just try
dito
it.
na
You'd be
ano.
surprised how much you can level up your selfies with
Na
just
pwede.
a couple taps. Available in the App Store,
Ay!
Google Play.
Mawawa naman yan, ay!
Hi guys, welcome back to Give It To Me Straight, where the fur is fake, but the conversations are too real. I'm your host, Metamorphosis, and joining me on the show today is the winner of Season 10 of RuPaul's Drag Race, Aquaria. Bonjour, if I will. I was like, keep reading French, so exotic. Oui! Oh, that was your entrance line, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
It was your entrance look.
And you look incredible.
Look at God, very well together.
I was worried that
Namiss ko si Aquaria. Ang ganda niya.
some would consider my cardboard
Ano want mo sa
to her
B-Day
chest,
gift mo?
winning design
Gusto ko po ng pera.
'cause that one definitely
Tsaka ng pera.
Thank you. Yeah, this one really came
Tsaka isa pa, pera.
was looking through like your looks to hopefully find something that was a little less flattering, you know, just for the comedy bit of it all. But then I realized you're
I want cash. I want cold cash. I want money. I want blessings. I want
I know the wig is not too dry yet.
good health for my family.
Has it all squished up in the closet, so yeah, it's very punk rock. But also too, it's like the other aspects of it too are acting really fake. It's just like a little Amazon, little red belt, figure out some gloves. No designers here.
No.
It's don't back then either, but so but you're in town, you're in Vegas right now.
Gigutom ka na?
Gigs. You're having an entire like on top of going to see Gaga.
Cookie, gigutom.
Hopefully she's gonna
Gutom na si
show up.
Cookie.
100 degrees outside and just
Pero kakakain niya lang.
An actual picture of Gaga at the concert.
Patay gutom kasi tong aso
So
ko.
on top of going to that concert, you have like 3-4 gigs this weekend.
You know, I'm very grateful and blessed in times of
Huy,
peace.
umiyak. Baka sabihin nilang inaano ka dito.
Prime has always been like
Lapansin na sa love.
since Drag Race. So tonight, this and then I'm about to DJ Jetson.
Sige, go, pabuhi ang.
That'd be cute.
Yeah, on top of what you're doing, as you mentioned, you're doing DJing because you actually are a DJ.
Yeah, I've been like DJing kind of sort of before, or like at a similar time as to when we were filming Drag Race and getting into that.
What is your DJ style? Is it kind of a hit play on spot?
Anong ganap mo? I will be...
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
totally myself.
Ano lang?
No, I feel like
Ikap-mikap lang.
with being a DJ, joining DJ extraordinaire, she's got.
Anong gusto ko sa new place?
And
Balik ka na Davao, yes. Pero parang hindi ako makakabalik ng Davao pag
I just
hindi ko pa na-edit yung Davao vlog. Parang galit na sila sa akin.
also like
Award!
felt that I needed to fight to
Kasi guys,
the drag queen
yung iba kong video sa Davao,
and as a person.
tag dito, sa phone, sa iCloud. Tapos hindi siya naglo-load.
It's even more beneficial. So
Hindi siya naglo-load.
next time I play, I really try to, you know, show a little effort because I feel like it can.
Hindi siya naglo-load sa phone ko. So, naglalag siya.
Going up on stage, press and play, like, all right.
I don't know about that, but yeah.
Drag queen DJs like Jody Harsh who do play like really incredible music and do play these massive festivals and stuff. And
Yeah.
you know, I hope that with a lot of hard work, that can be me someday. And I've gotten to start playing like more like pop house.
Hi, Jacka.
And remixy stuff. Because also
Jessica!
you need to be like available for stuff like when the Target down the street calls for their ride opening of their whatever, like you can't show up playing like hardstyle techno, but I mean,
Yeah.
what are they gonna do if I'm on the spot?
Yeah.
I suppose they're not booking me either, so
With drag queens, you know, they're always trying to find new niches and like places to bring drag into. And I feel like DJing is like a not a new sphere, but definitely it's gaining a lot of popularity. What are your thoughts on a lot of these newer little baby queens that are trying to become DJs?
I feel like there's obviously like lots of different ways you could be interested in DJing.
Mhm.
Do you want to
Where is that?
on you and have this be another way that you are a performer on stage, or do you want to be a curator of the background track to something like the evening?
Yeah. Be the curator of vibes in a sense.
You know, I bring the vibe.
Yeah.
And so I think it's probably easy to.
Nawala na sa dakong ano,
The girls.
tong gloss boss na ano love clear.
So, in the mix.
Yeah.
This was there's also a conversation about.
So, gamit ko big drip, Careline siya. Pampaano lang. To hydrate my lips or whatever. Para mamaya.
If someone's getting booked, that has nothing to do with you not getting booked for something, I guess. And I was a beginner drag, beginner DJ once.
What's next? I'm just gonna blend this.
Fabulous, fantastic, and I'm still not fabulous,
My God.
fantastic. So, what I think about all the new girls, they should make way for a real mother. I don't know. Go with a little hobby.
There it is. There's the real answer there. Like, I'm glad they have their cute little hobby.
Sa letrang A!
It's a profession, it's a career.
It's all life.
Yeah.
Letrang A, agay.
In New York, or were you doing that before New York?
Aray ko.
I've lived in New York since 2014. So,
Just to know here back in Pennsylvania, like little Fisher Price DJ set.
Sam?
you know, but I'd always been really into like messing around on GarageBand and stuff like that. Not like
Nakamikap ko?
music production, but like
Okay na daw?
I always, like do my own drag mixes. I've had maybe like 1 or 2 times in effort that someone else has put together even elements of my drag mix, and I've always just been
Self-sufficient.
self-sufficient, self-taught.
Self-aware? Question mark?
Jump below in the comments if you think I was
Spoil mo naman kami sa Station Royal. Kinang ina mo,
Give it to me straight.
nabuhay ka na lang sa spoil, leche.
Yeah, but DJing and drag. both
Remove
originally.
and
You
black.
went to school in New York for fashion school. What was your long-term plan when you were in school?
To drop out and become a drag
Kayo
queen.
enjoy na enjoy kayo. Bakit kayo nag-enjoy sa mga spoiler?
Hey, just think you're going to become a designer, you're going to work in like retail.
Probably not the retail thing. I mean,
Ang yan to, ayaw na lang manood. Ayaw nyo bang ma-surprise kung anong mangyayari? Na parang, oh my God, oh eh.
Tall.
Ignorante na sila.
Chanel suits on. And I guess I wanted to be a
Ano ba?
Mag-order ka sa job ng spoiler tapos ipakain mo sa kanila.
May spoiler ba sa Grab?
Meron yan.
And I think after like my first year
Puro kayo
in school,
puki ng inang nyo ah.
summer in New York with some really incredible people, and I learned a lot about myself.
Ay naku,
and
nagigigil ako.
what I wanted in life.
Ano? Ano daw? Ay naku, nagigigil ako.
Nagigigil ako.
Oh my God.
Kapatulad ko yung mga
I'm
ano.
not listening to this for you guys, but I was just like, we
Tapos sasabihin na rin ng isuan na ano.
I think
Patol
I'm
lang
gonna
ako.
make so many more people happy,
Award.
not behind a sewing machine, not drawing little skinny. I am gonna need to be this new. And someone is gonna need to sell something.
Ano kayo sa mga spoiler ah?
Do you want to see more?
Exactly.
Mga wala kayong ano.
Explain the sun effect.
Exactly.
Ay, behave.
He said, this is how you
Medyo
celebrate
bumatol.
that. Wrap around.
Yeah, it's a little. Whoosh, 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 whoosh.
You're the Gandhi of drag. People say that about you.
You know, I actually did say that on Dragos, which is really stupid.
You're the Gandhi of drag?
Yeah, I don't know what I said, but I thought I was just getting like wisdom or whatever, but like, he said his own beef, and I suppose I got one too, so. No, it's perfect.
So, whenever you say they were on different wavelengths, what exactly do you mean by that? Like they were keeping you balance, or?
Well, I was like,
Lilipat nga ako sa ano.
nah, they were.
Lilipat ako sa TikTok. Nagla-live ako sa TikTok.
They were aspiring to be regional managers of Dillard.
Guys.
Something like that.
Truly, but like, I mean, and not in a shady way, I mean, I guess it's shady, but most of the people.
Bye-bye.
A good portion of the people who